Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove a local user from Windows 10 using user accounts dialog. For this, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. Here you can use Control User Passwords 2 command to open the user accounts window, or you can also use netpl netplwiz command. This will also open the same window. I will provide this one commands in this video description also. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. Now select the user you want to remove. Then click on this one remove button. Click yes to remove it from your PC. Then click on this one OK to exit.